Persistent in solving issues. In life, we often face challenges, problems, and obstacles that can seem insurmountable. Whether it's a personal struggle, a difficult project at work, or a complex situation in our relationships, issues are a part of the human experience. What distinguishes successful individuals is their ability to tackle these challenges head-on and persistently work towards solutions. Being persistent in solving issues is crucial for growth, success, and emotional resilience. This essay explores the importance of persistence, strategies to remain persistent, and how persistence leads to effective problem solving. In problem solving, persistence is essential. Problems are rarely solved instantly. Often they require time, creativity, and effort. It is easy to become discouraged when solutions don't come quickly, but persistence allows us to keep trying until we find the right approach. Persistence in solving problems does not mean blindly continuing down the same path. It means staying committed to finding a solution, exploring different avenues, and adapting as needed. No one can escape challenges in life. From simple tasks to more complex problems, challenges are inevitable. However, what sets those who succeed apart is their willingness to push through difficulties. Persistent people are more likely to achieve their goals because they do not quit when faced with obstacles. Instead, they adapt and find ways around the issue. This is essential because many issues don't have easy answers or quick solutions, but persistent individuals are willing to keep searching until they find a way forward. Persistence helps build resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks. Solving problems often involves trial and error. Sometimes the first solution you try won't work, and sometimes it may take several attempts to find a resolution. Through persistence, you learn not to view failure as defeat, but as a part of the process. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. The more persistent you are, the stronger your resilience becomes, making you better equipped to handle future challenges. One of the outcomes of persistence is the development of confidence. When you persist in solving a problem, even after multiple attempts, you gain confidence in your ability to solve future problems. Each small victory along the way builds your self-belief and motivates you to keep going. As you overcome obstacles, you realize that you're capable of handling more than you thought, which in turn builds your self-esteem. Many of life's most important goals and achievements take time. Whether it's personal growth, career advancement, or the success of a business venture, these things don't happen overnight. They require consistent effort, hard work, and patience. Persistence is the key to making incremental progress toward these long-term goals. Those who are persistent do not let immediate setbacks discourage them. They understand that success is a gradual process that requires sustained effort. Personal development is often a long, ongoing journey. We may set out to improve our physical health, learn new skills, or build healthier relationships. These goals require persistence. When working on personal growth, progress may not always be visible in the short term, and setbacks can be disheartening. However, persistence allows us to stay on track even when the results are not immediately apparent. With time, consistent effort leads to significant improvements. Education is a prime example of how persistence is essential. Whether you're learning a new language, mastering a complex concept in mathematics, or improving your writing skills, persistence is crucial. It's easy to become frustrated when learning something new doesn't come easily, but successful students are those who keep studying, practicing, and seeking help when needed. The more persistent you are in your studies, the more knowledge and skills you will accumulate, which will ultimately lead to academic success. In the world of business and careers, persistence is often the difference between success and failure. Entrepreneurs who fail at their first attempt don't give up. They learn from their mistakes, adjust their strategies, and try again. In the workplace, employees who face challenges in their projects must remain persistent to find solutions. Whether it's overcoming a financial obstacle, dealing with a difficult client, or finding new ways to innovate, persistence leads to career growth and long-term business success. Persistence is also necessary in relationships. Whether in friendships, family dynamics, or romantic partnerships, challenges will arise. People may experience misunderstandings, disagreements, or emotional struggles. However, it is the persistent individuals who invest time and effort into resolving conflicts, communicating effectively, and nurturing their relationships. Persistence in relationships means not giving up when things get tough, but instead working through issues and finding ways to grow together. While persistence is crucial, it's not always easy to maintain. Here are some strategies to help you remain persistent in solving problems. Set clear goals. Having a clear goal in mind makes it easier to stay persistent. When you know exactly what you're working toward, you can break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. This will help you stay focused and motivated, especially when things get difficult. Clear goals also give you something to track your progress against, which can help you stay on track. Break problems into smaller steps. Large problems can feel overwhelming, but by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps, you can approach them more effectively. Each small victory you achieve along the way boosts your motivation and helps you stay persistent in reaching your larger goal. Adapt to changing circumstances. Persistence does not mean stubbornly continuing down a path that isn't working. Sometimes, the solution to a problem is to adapt and try a different approach. Being persistent means being open to trying new methods and adjusting your strategy as necessary while remaining focused on your goal. Stay positive and motivated. It's easy to become discouraged when things don't go as planned. However, maintaining a positive attitude is essential for persistence. Celebrate small successes and remind yourself why you're pursuing the goal in the first place. Positive self-talk and staying motivated will help you push through tough times. Learn from failure. Failure is an inevitable part of problem solving, but it should not be viewed as a setback. Instead, view failure as an opportunity to learn. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and keep trying. With each failure, you gain more experience and knowledge, which brings you closer to solving the problem. Being persistent is one of the most important qualities you can develop when solving problems. Whether it's overcoming personal challenges, excelling in your career, or improving your relationships, persistence is the key to long-term success. By staying focused on your goals, breaking problems into smaller steps, adapting to changing circumstances, and maintaining a positive attitude, you can tackle even the most difficult issues. Remember, success doesn't always come quickly, but with persistence, you will find solutions and achieve your goals. The power of persistence in solving issues. A key to overcoming challenges. In our lives, we are often faced with challenges, obstacles, and problems that can feel overwhelming or impossible to solve. These difficulties may come in many forms: personal struggles, work-related issues, or societal problems. However, one of the most important qualities that can help us overcome these issues is persistence. The ability to persist, to continue striving toward solutions despite setbacks and obstacles, is essential in achieving success and personal growth. Persistence plays a critical role in the problem-solving process, and this essay will explore why it is so crucial and how we can cultivate this quality to effectively resolve issues in our lives. Persistence is the quality of continuing to pursue a goal or objective despite difficulties, obstacles, or discouragement. It is the determination to keep moving forward even when progress is slow or the road ahead is unclear. In the context of problem solving, persistence means not giving up when faced with challenges, but instead continuing to search for solutions, trying different approaches, and learning from mistakes along the way. Being persistent is not the same as stubbornness, which involves repeating the same actions without any consideration for change. Persistence is about adaptability. If one approach doesn't work, persistent people are willing to try another, learn from their mistakes, and adjust their strategy. This quality is vital for effective problem solving because most problems are complex and require patience, creativity, and time to resolve. Overcoming obstacles and setbacks. One of the most significant benefits of persistence is its ability to help us overcome obstacles and setbacks. When solving a problem, it is common to encounter challenges along the way. These challenges can cause frustration, self-doubt, and the temptation to give up. However, persistence allows individuals to face these difficulties head-on, to adapt to changing circumstances, and to keep trying. Instead of being discouraged by failure, persistent individuals view setbacks as opportunities to learn, grow, and refine their approach. For example, when entrepreneurs face financial difficulties, product failures, or market challenges, their persistence often determines whether they succeed or give up. By learning from their mistakes and staying committed to their goals, they are more likely to find creative solutions that allow their businesses to thrive. Similarly, in personal life, persistence can help individuals navigate tough situations, such as recovering from an illness or overcoming personal setbacks. Persistence is directly linked to building resilience, the ability to bounce back from difficulties. Each time we persist in the face of a challenge, we develop a greater sense of resilience. Overcoming problems through persistent effort teaches us how to deal with adversity and how to approach future challenges with more confidence. When we persist in solving issues, we also build confidence in our abilities. With each success, no matter how small, we begin to trust in ourselves more. The confidence that comes from persistence makes it easier to tackle future problems because we know that we have the determination and skills to keep going, even when things get tough. In conclusion, persistence is one of the most powerful qualities that can help us solve problems and overcome challenges in life. Whether it's facing personal struggles, pursuing career goals, or working through complex projects, persistence is key to achieving success. By staying focused on our goals, remaining adaptable, and learning from our failures, we can develop the resilience, confidence, and problem-solving skills needed to navigate life's obstacles. Persistence is not just about working hard, it's about staying committed to finding solutions, no matter how long it takes. Ultimately, persistence is what separates those who achieve their goals from those who give up too soon.